1000 is the bike.
It's a mean machine.
Controlled, aggressive emotion.
Brutale. There is no other word to describe it.
For us, Brutale is a pinnacle of our development. So we consider ourselves leaders in naked bike production. I think we make the best naked in the world. It's unparalleled to anything that's right now on the market. You know, it's going to be quite a special project.
Some very strong visual elements like the canard wings at the front that give it stability at high speed, which is obviously, because it is a naked bike, you've got a very unusual amount of performance for such a bike, and this has to be controlled with aerodynamic surfaces. And obviously that's connected to the electronics, so at lower speeds this connection between the electronic side and the physical side was a very interesting part of this project.
And we're talking about the most powerful 1000cc naked bike ever produced. A bike that has 208 horsepower homologated, a bike that weighs less than 186 kilos, and a bike that reaches over 300 kilometers an hour.
First hyper-naked concept, and the result is that we accomplish our target by bringing to the market the fastest bike ever built.